Have you ever wondered how AI can revolutionize video creation? Let's dive into this fascinating world where technology meets creativity. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is becoming a game changer in video production, paving the way for a streamlined process, heightened efficiency, and boundless creativity. Imagine a world where AI enhances video quality, transforming raw footage into polished masterpieces. It's not just about tweaking brightness or contrast, but also about perfecting each frame, each moment, with meticulous attention to detail. Now, picture AI generating content, conjuring up visuals from textual descriptions, crafting scenes with a precision that rivals human imagination. It's like having a personal assistant that brings your vision to life, frame by frame. And what about automating editing tasks? AI can trim, splice, and stitch together scenes, saving precious time and effort. It's about working smarter, not harder. With AI, you're not just creating videos, you're crafting experiences. And that, dear viewers, is the power of AI in video creation. Intrigued? Let's delve into the steps involved in using AI for video creation. It's simpler than you might think, and it all begins with the first step: choosing the right AI tool for your project. Now, there are several AI tools available in the market today, each with its own strengths and specialties. Some are great for simple video edits, while others excel at complex animations and effects. It's all about finding the one that suits your project's needs the best. Once you've chosen your AI tool, the next step is importing your raw footage into the AI software. This might involve uploading video files, connecting a camera directly to the software, or even importing videos from online sources. The key here is to ensure that all the footage you want to work with is accessible within the AI tool. Next, we move on to the third step, which is letting the AI analyze the footage. This is where the magic happens. The AI will scan through your footage, identifying key elements, patterns, and potential areas for enhancement. It will break down the video into manageable chunks, making it easier for you to navigate and edit. The fourth step is using the AI's suggestions for edits, effects, and enhancements. Based on its analysis, the AI will suggest various improvements to your footage. This could include trimming unnecessary parts, adding special effects, or even rearranging scenes for better flow. Remember, these are just suggestions. You have complete control over the final edits. Finally, we reach the fifth step: reviewing and finalizing the AI-generated content. This is your chance to watch the video, see the changes in action, and make any last-minute tweaks. If something doesn't feel quite right, you can always go back and edit. The AI is there to assist you, not to take over the creative process, and there you have it. With these steps, you can harness the power of AI to create stunning videos. It's a game changer for video creators, making the process not only easier but also more efficient and innovative. So why not give it a try? You might just find that AI is the secret ingredient you've been missing in your video creation process. Now that we've covered the process, let's summarize the key points about using AI in video creation. Editing tasks that consume so much of your time and effort. No more manual cropping, trimming, or color balancing. The AI can handle it all, freeing you up to focus on the more creative aspects of your project. Second, AI has the potential to generate high-quality content that can significantly enhance viewer engagement. With AI, you can create stunning visual effects, realistic animations, and even generate lifelike voiceovers. Imagine the possibilities. Your videos could look and sound like they were produced by a team of professionals. Third, AI can provide valuable insights into viewer preferences. It can analyze user behavior and engagement metrics to give you a deeper understanding of what your audience wants to see. This allows you to tailor your content to meet their needs, ultimately driving more views and engagements. And finally, AI can streamline the entire video creation process, making it accessible to everyone, not just professionals. With AI tools, you don't need a high-end computer or advanced editing skills. You just need a good story to tell, and the AI will help you tell it in the most compelling way possible. But let's not forget the most important point. AI is not just a tool, it's a game changer. It's a revolution in video creation. It's a new way of telling stories, of sharing experiences, of connecting with audiences. It's a way to push the boundaries of what's possible, to challenge the status quo, to redefine the art of video creation. So, are you ready to revolutionize your video creation process with AI? Because the future of video creation is here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. AI is not just a tool, it's a game changer in the world of video creation. So are you ready to revolutionize your video creation process with AI?